Good morning, welcome to a 2 and 2 on Friday 29th of August. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the pound dollar first, and as you can see, well, yesterday we put in this little shooting star really, or inverted hammer, yet another. Price did actually break out above those sort of highs that it's been struggling with, but never managed to close above the sort of 165.98, 99 area. I was wondering if we'd see that the weekly pivot hit, but it's looking increasingly unlikely. We've been all over the daily pivot that's due at today's daily pivot, so no real decision here at the moment. Very indecisive market. One thing I'm looking at really is these looking across this sort of, we're in this very consolidated phase. It's a bit of a pinch going on. Maybe if it breaks the highs here, it will push up, and maybe we could look at yesterday's highs. It continues to downside. Well, maybe yesterday's lows, but it's, as I say, very indecisive. No clear direction for me from the shorter time frames even. Looking at the euro dollar second then, and we've got the CPI figure coming out for the CPI flash estimate coming out today. It only covers 13 of the member states, but it does give a quick guide, and bearing in mind looking at deflation, potential deflation in Europe, it may give the heads up on how things are going in that respect, and possibly put further pressure on for a change in terms of financial easing. Now, of course, they've already done that. There has been suggestion that they're not going to do anything this next week when they meet, so it's it may still create quite some volatility though. Okay, so the euro, where are we? Well, yesterday we put this doji stroke spinning top on in very indecisive at the moment. I would suggest it looks to bearish, this market, in what we got to see. Certainly the trend is to the downside. Sort of, well, we could argue we filled the gap yesterday with that move up there. It touched pretty much on the prior lows there, so could argue it's filled the gap there, it's taken out off the emphasis there. We have got the daily pivot above us, which if we break this trend line that I've drawn on here, if I can just put the cursor on it, and there we go, it's a bit clearer. So if we break this trend line here, maybe we'll see a push up to that, and maybe even further, but at that point we've got resistance to the 50 and the 100 MAs, so ALIs, so that may put a stopper on that, but there's the possibilities there to the upside. To the downside, well, yesterday's lows and Wednesday's lows are pretty not too far away. It may just drop down and retest either of those or both of them. So as I say, very indecisive, not at all clear. Break of the highs, well, we could see more of a rally, continuation of this sort of move, test the lows and maybe even break those lows. That's it for me. Have a great day. Bye for now.